Pierre Probiotic skincare facial treatments feature the most natural ingredients. Pierre products are free of parabens, phtalates, PABA, sulfates, PEGs, and are never tested on animals. The professionals at Pierre Skincare have created a miracle facial mask that leaves your skin glowing and radiantly younger in just 21 minutes. The 21-minute Miracle Collagen and Gold Peel-Off Facial Mask is a deep cleansing mask that combines gold extract to help shrink pores, collagen to help fight wrinkles and regenerate skin cells, and turmeric, an antioxidant with anti-inflammatory benefits. Apply generously in thin layers, avoiding eyes, eyebrows, hairline, lips, and clothes. Allow 21 minutes for drying and then gently peel off, starting from the outer edges. Rinse with warm water. May be used twice a week or as often as needed. You will love your new skin. Esthetician quality products at affordable prices.